Hello everyone, welcome to the series of variations. So in today's session we will be learning about a concept that is called as evil number. The number is really an evil number, so it is called as the evil number. Okay, so an evil number is basically any non-negative, that is in simple words a positive integer, we can say a positive number that has an even number of ones in its binary expansion. So what is the binary expansion now? It is basically the representation of any number in the binary system. Okay, so and also there is another number which are called as the odious number, or DOUS. Odious numbers. I'm not able to just pronounce it correctly, so odious number it is. And these are the numbers which are not the evil numbers, and they are called as odious numbers. So any given number we have to check if it is an evil number or it is an odious number. So how we are going to check that? Okay, let me just show you with the help of an example. So any number, so for example 3, if we are taken, what is the binary expansion of 3? It is this. Let me just comment it first of all so that I can write it properly. So the binary representation of 3 is 1 1, right? So how many numbers of ones are there in it? There are two, right? That means it is even number of binary numbers, or we can say there is even numbers of ones present in the binary representation of the number 3. Therefore 3 is an evil number. Okay, now let us just check 16, another number we have. The binary representation of 16 is 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, 0 2 4 8 16. 16. Okay, this is the binary representation of it. How many ones do we have here? Only one. That is odd number of ones it is having. Therefore, it is an odious number. Okay, again we will take another number, say 23. So 23 ka binary expansion is 1 0 1 1 1. So now how many ones do it have? It have 1 2 3 4 ones it have, yani ki it has even number of ones, right? Therefore it is an evil number. So this is our task. We have to check whether we have even numbers of ones or odd numbers of one, what we have. Okay, so how we will do it now? Okay, so I will simply create a method, static check evil okay. Okay, so I will be taking some variables I for binary representations, what I will do, firstly I will just convert the number into its binary form. How we are going to do that? I will write it out. While n is not equal to 0, जब तक n की वैल्यू n 0 के बराबर नहीं आ जाती है, work up to then, calculate the remainder and find out the remainder. So remainder will be equal to n modulus 2, right? Because हम लोगों को binary representation करनी है, therefore I am dividing it with 2. Now we will be storing the remainders in the binary form as a number, right? As a number we will be storing these remainders. That is whatsoever remainder it will be. For example 13, if I am dividing 13, I will just show you. 2, if I am dividing 13, 2 6 are, it will be 12. The first remainder which I will get is of course 1. So I will be storing this 1 into a number, into a variable of course, but as a number, right? So how do we do that? If everyone remembers it, binary plus remainder into math.power n raised to power 1. Oh, sorry, I. So this is, we will store it into, acha, it will ask me to cast it into int. So I will cast it into int, no issue. And afterwards, I will simply work with the remainder now. Divide कहाँ है भाई? Divide कर दो इसको. So again हमारे पास divisor क्या है? 6. ठीक है. अभी 2 को वापस से हम divide करेंगे. 2 3 जा 6. तो मेरे पास remainder में क्या आ जाएगा इस बार? 0. तो मैं उसको किस में स्टोर कर दूंगी? यहाँ पर इसमें नंबर में स्टोर कर दूंगी. ओके. So after this operation, let us just check what is the answer stored in bin. That is the binary representation of it, right? So check evil, उसको हम पास ऑन कर रहे हैं 13. और अभी के लिए ये क्या रिटर्न कर रहा है? अज्यूम करो बिन. ठीक है. सी उसने 3 रिटर्न कर दिया. ओके, वेट अ सेकेंड. सी हमारा नंबर क्या था? 13. 13 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, रिमाइंडर में क्या वैल्यू आ गई थी? 1, राइट? सो सबसे पहले बिन की अपडेटेड वैल्यू थी 0. 0 प्लस रिमाइंडर की वैल्यू कितनी थी? 1. और 10 रेज टू पावर 1 कितना हो गया? 10 raised to power 1 is 10 again. Okay, 10 raised to power I की value we have already 0, right? So that means 0 it will be. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. Therefore उसने आंसर पहली बारी में क्या प्रिंट कर दिया हमारे लिए? 1. डिवाइड कर दिया इसने इसको 2 से. Then after dividing it 2, the quotient was 6. 6 को इसने फिर से डिवाइड कर दिया. रिमाइंडर में क्या आ जाएगा? 1 अगेन. द बिन वॉज ऑलरेडी हैविंग इट्स वैल्यू 1 and 1 plus remainder is again 1. therefore it will become 2 because I की वैल्यू here is 0. so I की वैल्यू is 0 definitely वो आ जाएगा आपके पास 2. जब हमने प्रिंट कर दिया तो उसने क्या वैल्यू दिखा दी हमारे लिए? 2. नेक्स्ट ओके ओके नेक्स्ट हमारे रिमाइंडर में क्या वैल्यू आई थी? 2. 6 आई थी, सॉरी 6 आई थी. 6 को फिर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से. नहीं 6 नहीं आई थी हमारी, 3 आई थी. राइट, 3 आई थी. 3 को फिर से हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर से रिमाइंडर 1 आ जाएगा. इसमें ऑलरेडी रिमाइंडर 2 था, बिन में ऑलरेडी वैल्यू 2 थी और 2 + 1 कितना हो जाएगा हमारे पास? वापस से 3 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इसीलिए उसने क्या प्रिंट करके दे दिया हमको? ये. Now, after doing and after calculating it, what we will be doing is we will call the count. We will be in fact creating a new function in order to count and return the number of ones present in this bin variable. Okay. how we will be doing it. So I'll be creating and declaring a variable number of ones. I'll be just declaring it as this number of ones. Okay, so what I will be doing is I will be taking over here number of ones is equal to, I will be creating a function to calculate it. First of all, count ones, and how many ones do we have? I will be just passing on that variable value over here, and I will be writing over here if number of ones modulus 2, that if we have even number of ones now, okay, then we will be returning 1, else we will be returning 0. Done. So I have to create this method now first of all. Okay, how we will create this? I will create this method over here. Okay, so let me just take it as 1. So I will be taking a variable count ones is equal to 0. I will write here while n is not equal to 0, तब तक चलते जाओ. Okay, up to then what to do? Take a variable remainder, because we have to count the number of ones. So how we will count it? I will just find out the remainder, and after that I will tell it if the remainder is equal to 1, then count ones को क्या कर दो आप, increment कर दीजिए, and n is equal to n divided by 10 again. Simple as we do, and after that return count ones. Simple. Yes, done. So in the main function now what we will be doing is now in the main function what I will do is simply declare some variables. Well, I have I will be doing one thing. I will be taking a variable, or no need to even do that. Check evil method को कॉल कर दो, यहाँ से उसको पास कर दो 32. ठीक है, then we will just put on the condition if check is equal to 1, print it is an evil number, else it is an odious number. Let me just check it what it is. Okay, so if I will be just deleting it first, and it is an odious number. So similarly, if taken 3